Good morning everyone. So today is actually the first day जब यहाँ पे fog दिख रही होगी सबको. In the video also it is very evident. तो फिर fog दिख के तो vlog बनता ही है. भाई आपका knowledge तो कमाल का है भाई. तो अभी आज vlog करेंगे. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं ओपीडी में जो भी एज यूजुअल चीज़ होती है. बाकी आज सेमिनार भी है और मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गई हूँ तो मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट पैक किया हुआ है तो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट वहीं करूँगी.
Hi guys, very good morning. So today is a new day and of course new day brings new work. So right now I'm rushing off to hospital as I have 3 OTs posted for today and I also have my emergency at night. I'll be going to the private ward because I have one of the patients currently admitted in private ward. तो उसको भी देखने जाना होगा and this is the private wards of BRD.
Nice.
So since I didn't eat anything, I have come to my room for 5 to 10 minutes. Self an omelette. Yes, this is cheese.
In between OPD, I'm also looking at few of the theses which we have in the department because आज मुझे thesis का work करना है and it is a complete headache. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करना होता है.
तो रहने दो फिर.
So after completing all the ward work and the OT, I actually couldn't vlog much in the OT because my phone got discharged unfortunately. But just now I'm back in my room. I still haven't had my lunch and now I'm going to study for some time because my exams are also not really closed. I would say 5 to 6 months of preparation and again it's a big competitive exam, so you have to start with all the studies properly. I'm studying a very boring chapter 2, that is tissue diagnosis, all histology and stuff. One thing I haven't liked since my MBBS time.
So done with the OPD and आजकल थोड़ा मतलब यूज ऑफ विंटर्स और थोड़ा आज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कंपैरेटिवली ज़्यादा ठंड थी तो पेशेंट्स वर लेसर देन ऑलवेज. सो अभी ओपीडी आज 2 o'clock एग्जैक्ट कंप्लीट भी हो गई है. जूनियर्स विल बी डूइंग द प्रोसीजर्स टिल देन. और आज सच कुछ यूनिक केस नहीं मिला except for the fact that I've realized that usually earlier in winters ये स्केबीज और टीनिया जो मतलब फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है वो कम हो जाता था. रीज़न बीइंग बिकॉज मतलब जो मॉइस्चर ह्यूमिडिटी होती थी दैट वर मच मोर पॉजिटिव एजेंट्स फॉर फंगल इन्फेक्शन टू ग्रो. But now the fungal infection, that fungus has developed resistance to everything, and even in winters also, in today's OPD also, we had tons of patients with the same problem, that is tinea, and also with problems like scabies. So for anyone who is facing fungal infection, believe me, this is something which can be a pandemic. So please अपना टीनिया को properly treat करवाओ dermatologist के पास जाके. अपने आप ही कुछ भी steroid और ये मत लगाओ. Go to a dermatologist. Believe me, टीनिया की treatment बहुत लंबी चलती है, 3, 4, 5 months. But do not lose hope. Give your 100% to the dermatologist and definitely you will be cured. And now after injecting and also performing my thesis and doing the OPD, going back straight to the room. Now in between, हम लोग अब जा रहे हैं for lunch outside. So let's go.
Coming back from the hospital, we are here on a favorite place.
और खाना खा रहे हैं.
Actually खाना खत्म हो चुका है.
और अपने दोस्तों को दिखाओ.
ये सेट है. ये
ब्राउनी आ रहे तो उसकी लेना.
अच्छा ठीक है.
अच्छी तरह से करो ना, फिर जीरो से करो.
Sizzling brownie, Sky Garden. This is a new hospital that we are going to open. Second Anandok Hospital. So we'll be taking a quick round of this.
सब कुछ हाफ ही है. यहाँ पे केमिस्ट बन रहा है और ये ओपीडीज हैं. अभी पूरी बिल्डिंग बनने को तैयार होने ही वाली है. होपफुली जल्दी हो जाए. ये है जो सबसे टॉप फ्लोर है वो स्किन का बनेगा और बाकी सारे फ्लोर्स वो मल्टी स्पेशलिटी. So it's the announcement time and this announcement is worth 1 CR. So this one is for all the students who are doing MPBS from 2022 batch. All you have to do is actually register yourself in the link which I've mentioned below and do this quiz sitting at your home on the eGurukul app on 20th of December and you might win the amazing prizes and scholarships from DBMCI. So this is all for the college students in 2022 batch and the quiz is really simple. It won't be like related to MBBS but it would be more related to your NEET UG syllabus. So anyone was thinking कि MBBS का कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, don't worry, क्योंकि NEET UG का तो पढ़ा ही होगा. So do attempt this quiz by going on this link which I mentioned below. So all the best. After consuming a lot of calories, now it's the time to shed it off. Now we are in the gym doing exercises to burn the extra calories. Gym, I am having peanuts और मैंने 4 eggs भी खाए और मैंने पीनट बटर सैंडविच भी खाया. मैंने बहुत कुछ खा लिया. Now I am going to work on my thesis. As you all know that we are in our final year and half of the final year निकल चुका है. So अब thesis submission का भी टाइम आ गया है, तो अब मैं अपना उस पर वर्क करने लगी हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत आज ROL लिखूँगी एंड पूरा मास्टर चार्ट एंड ऑल. काफ़ी काम है थीसिस का. So let's work on that. Shivang is also studying in between his duties.
It's a night emergency and I'll be taking a round first, followed by my emergency. And it's quite cold. Still I'm in my half sleeves. Reason being I'm just coming from my gym.
So after working on my thesis, अब मैं थक गई हूँ and अब सोने का टाइम है. But before that थोड़ा बहुत TV.
प्रिपेयर करो, कॉर्नर से तुरंत होगा. After completing a round and stabilizing the patient you just saw, I've come inside the JR room for studying for some time. Here. So the case you just saw was a case of road traffic accident. Well, again, it was the fault of the person. About that case, इस केस में completely उस बंदे की गलती थी. He was totally drunk and he was driving at a very high speed on a motorbike. And even in this freezing cold, the visibility already इतनी कम होती है यार. Then अपने इतने कम conscious and senses में भी वो बहुत high speed पे drive कर रहा था. Due to which he met with an accident. And सामने वो ट्रैक्टर से आके भिड़ गया. And the tractor ran over him. दोनों पहिए ट्रैक्टर के ऊपर चढ़ गया उसके वजह से. तो उसकी वजह से एक डिग्लविंग इंजरी टाइप की हो गई. पूरा एंटीरियर एब्डोमेन वॉल उसका ऐसे नुच गया. एंड सारी बाउल बाहर आ गई. सो दिस इज एन अर्जेंट केस. अभी सारे ऑल द इन्वेस्टिगेशंस हैव बीन सेंट एंड देन इसका आज रात को ही ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा एंड होपफुली विल बी एबल टू सेव हिम. So guys, it's 8 a.m. and my duty is finally over, and as you can see I'm quite sleepy right now. So I have time of around 45 minutes before I go again for my rounds tomorrow. And I've already changed into my scrubs as you can see, because I'll just brush and run off to the hospital. So guys, it's rest time for me for 45 minutes. Bye, good night, see you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.